That nigga crack don't even know what time it is, man. First off, you is a bitch just for hitting my body, and that shit hurt so bad it left my mom so fucking shocked. Now I'm fucking coming with Glocks. You better pop when we coming with rounds. We coming for that nigga crack, cause that nigga ain't shit. That nigga claim he's psycho savage, but he ain't even it. He ain't no savage psycho nigga, he ain't nothing with this. I know some niggas holding toolies and they only 13. My niggas rolling up that sticky green. We ride on Albuquerque, bitches breaking bad. When we hitting the scene, we hit 'em up. Now that nigga talking now, like what the fuck, what you niggas talking about? I'm rolling off the shit, rolling off the yak. If I catch a miss, if I catch that nigga back, I'm not even gonna shoot first. I'm probably gonna wanna knock his jaw off out of place, cause that nigga ain't even raw. He didn't even wanna fucking fight nobody. When they wanted to fight him, he always used to say, Millie, can you help me out? And I always was right there, but where he at now? He ain't even right here. I'm fucking glad that nigga ain't here. I got some niggas from DOBTTC that been here for fucking years and still right here. They ain't even gonna aim no gun at me, cause they already know how my PTSD gets. I told them hit 'em up, losing my breath. I think I'm going insane, my niggas super savage with the shits. Hit 'em up, cause that nigga crack ain't shit. Left my mama crying. I woke up to my mama crying. Had a tube down my throat, had some tubes in my chest and a big ass cut. I woke up one time and my fucking stomach was open. Damn, that's so savage. Like, damn, you almost hit me in my spine. You lucky I'm not paralyzed right now. But honestly, you shit out of luck, cause I'm still out here on the fucking Albuquerque sidewalks. It's like I'm addicted to the fucking sidewalks, just like Lil Durk said. So if I fucking see you, yeah, you better have some bread, cause I'm gonna hit you up. You gon' probably be a walking lick, and what the fuck, but I don't wanna start the shit. They fucking pause the fucking case, like, what the fuck is that? Cause they think Millie's gonna fucking retaliate. But if something happens, I don't know no shit. I don't know who fucking did it. I don't know no scene or saw. All I know is I told everybody the story, and your story didn't match. So nigga, what is that? Now I got like 20 bodies on crack's head. If I see a lot of ops, I'ma go and get some bread. Hit 'em up. RIP Tupac, if he back, I don't know where he at. It's already almost 2K17. Like, damn, I got a lot of big dreams. Hit 'em up. Yeah, you just a waste of time. If I catch you on your line, your baby mama did the whole click back in the day. I didn't even touch the bitch. She was like the sister code. Yeah, she sister coded me, bought me fucking J's, and that's probably why you were mad. I think it was jealousy that got me, but I swear you took a piece of me ever since that day. Fuck November 1st, I wish I didn't go over that day. Fuck you, bitch, you ain't nothing now. Fuck you, Arik Julian Garcia, you ain't nothing now. I said your name, so that ain't no sneak diss. So if you see me up on site, it's a wish list. Better hope it's just a checklist off the hitting list. All my niggas doing savage shit, yeah, they with the shits. Been with the shits, bullying since a little kid. I was born blood, but you know I keep shit bullying. Why you saying that you from Bompton and you from Albuquerque? I've been knowing your ass since you was in 2nd grade. What the fuck is that? Better flip it up to high grade. I be puffing up and gas up in the fast lane all around Albuquerque. Wanna make it up to Cali, wanna make it all the way across fucking state, back to Florida, then to Miami. Look at all my niggas, we tryna make it out the state, cause we all got big dreams. So hit 'em up when you see that nigga, please, damn.